is wild.
Cool. It's like looking straight at you.
I know.
What is that person doing? Should I run for it or should I eat? He looks so soft.
He's eating my garden. He's very, very furry, huh?
Yeah, he looks really furry. This is so cool. I feel like not.
What do you think, Olivia Bardwick? Okay, there's a deer outside our kitchen window. It's not afraid at all.
Can't believe how close it is. He almost looks like a llama up close.
I know. It doesn't even look real. That's the little deer that's always lost, and she's always alone.
Really?
Yeah. She's never with the herd. And she looks different now because her hair is so long, but she's a different color than the others. She's more brown. The others are kind of
She's
gray.
like outcast.
Yeah.
Something wrong.
Maybe they've shunned her because of her color. They're a prejudice group. That's not very nice, is it?
What?
They don't include her because she's a different color.
Yeah, because they usually always come together, don't they?
Yeah, there's 8 of them.